In this video I'm going to show you guys how to share a Spotify playlist with your friends. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to share your Spotify playlist, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Spotify, click a playlist you want, go to your library. All your playlists are right here. Click on this one, for example. Click on the three dots at the middle left. Scroll down, and as you can see it says share. Click on it, and right here you can share it via all kinds of apps: Snapchat, Messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or just copy the link and use it anywhere you want. And yeah, that's basically it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.